Maasay na kami. Ay! Ha? Masarap mo no.
Bye, guys!
Nagluto si Francine.
Ng toasted with the honey and butter.
Syrup. Syrup. Butter.
And this.
And honey.
Perfect.
Perfect. Masarap mo no. Grabe ka si Ram.
Yung araw kong tunay ako.
Yummy. Day 2, wala pa rin ang vloggeries namin, guys. Kami muna to. Magasaan ka? Masaot kami, guys. Woo! Guys, nakabili na siya.
Kumain ba yan? Si Kuya ka tumago.
20 maybe. 20 maybe. Ang sitaw.
Ayo.
So, Francine is gonna cook na.
Woo! Yeah.
And she is putulin the hantak. I film you putulin the sitaw. It's that sitaw or hantak?
It's the same.
You cook the ano first, no?
Yeah,
Before the
it
ano?
will generate lana.
Okay. You are genius. Did not cook that. You did not use the olive oil? There's the olive oil.
There's no oil yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Marnie, oh, look at the luto.
Marnie, look at my cooking.
Wow. Masay na kami. Karaunan may ingan na po.
Walang malito.
Ano ba ito? Pagaw ito na sa plastic.
This is, what is the English of adobong sitaw?
Ano?
It's a cooked sitaw. With fresh, giniling.
Spring beans in soy sauce. Crushed pork.
I kind of messed up a little bit, so I didn't let Donna film me. This is the finished product and I think it's edible. Woo! And we're not gonna be dead soon. Bye, guys!
I will taste test the food of Francine.
Woo!
Ramon! Baka masanali sa pistahan.
Kumain ako, guys, pero dahil
Nagluto si Francine.
si Francine, full effort, i-take pa natin.
Yummy.
Ang bangot kayo ni ano lang, mas dako lang.
Giniling na may konting sitaw.
Dako lang kaya siya. It's good. Mag-reality try. It's okay. Really.
Guys, iahatid namin.
Hey guys, see you on Sunday.
Hatid namin sila sa Manila. Ay! Sa terminal lang. Terminal lang pala, guys. Nahantay namin si Gracia. Kakain mo na kami. Saan? Kakain mo na kami. Saan? Dito kami kakain.
Chat.
Okay. It's another cheat day, guys.
Cheat day every day.
Cheat day every day. This is cheat day.
Ang wonton, may shrimp.
Hi, Grace. Where are you going?
I'm going somewhere.
Somewhere.
Out, maihi mo na.
Tita, ali na kita. Tita, may mababayaan ka.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Later lang.
Later lang. Oy, subalon nyo.
Later.
Bye. No. Hot dog. Bye na. Okay ka ba ka?